you know why you're here?
Because I interrupted you.
10 times.
Sir, I need to go to the bus. What if I'm late?
Oh, don't worry. I'll make the bus stay here.
Okay.
Wait here while I go and check on the kids in detention.
Okay. What's going on? Everything's crazy. Oh, hey, can I have some food?
No.
The bus didn't show up and I'm sort of hungry.
No, you can't just have food. You have to trade something for it.
Trade? I can, like with money? Buy?
Money isn't worth nothing anymore, kid. We trade now. Give me something, I'll give you.
Here. Now my shoes.
These aren't even my size. Whatever. Here's a banana.
Thank you.
Hey, over here.
Where?
Come in here. The closet.
Oh, hi.
Hi. I heard, something happening upstairs.
I'm
Are
fine.
you okay?
I'm fine.
You don't need an ice pack or anything, do you?
I guess so.
Okay, yeah. Since the government is gone now, doctors and stuff are no longer helping people, I guess. So I'm just keeping a bunch of supplies for if anything has to happen.
Well,
Probably noticed that I have lots of food. Here, you're probably really hungry.
Okay. Well, that sucks.
Yeah, I guess it does.
What happens if we run out of food?
I don't know. Maybe we could, beg for food on the street?
Or something.
We could trade.
Oh, yeah, but we don't have that much stuff.
Yeah, and plus our stuff is really valuable to us.
Yeah.
Oh, wait! What if we played? Played on the street for food?
Like we tag?
This! What if I, played music? And do you think that would work? If we...
Yeah, that might work. So we wouldn't be playing tag.
No, we wouldn't.
Come over here, everybody, over here. She's gonna play some music for you.
Okay.
Oh, that's really good.
Thank you. Oh, gosh. Thank you so much.
Ow, 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 ow. Ding, 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 ding. Okay.
Look at all the food.
Look at all the food we got. Look at it.
This is so great. Breaking news. For years there have been suspicions of the government harboring aliens in Area 51. We have just been informed that this statement is true. Now that government is no more, the aliens are on the loose. Many different states have reported sightings of aliens. Be cautious while outdoors. We don't know if these creatures are friends or foes.
Wow, that actually worked.
Yeah, we got a whole lot of food. I'm so happy. Well, have you heard the news?
No, I haven't.
It turns out that the government was holding all these aliens in Area 51.
That's awesome.
But now that the government isn't a thing anymore, they all escaped.
Elliot, don't!